In this lecture, I will walk you through the factory pattern UML class diagram. The first and the key piece to implement a factory pattern is to identify what are all the different types of classes that a factory can manufacture. Once we have the different types of classes, we'll come up with a base interface that will be implemented by those classes. The factory knows how to create the different implementations of this interface. In the case of pizza store, the pizza store is the client and he is not worried about how the pizza is made. He will simply ask the pizza factory to bake a pizza for him, and the pizza factory knows how to get a veg pizza or a cheese pizza depending on what the pizza store asks for. So the key here is this pizza interface, which will be implemented by any number of concrete pizza classes. The pizza factory knows about this interface and it can create any type of implementation of that particular interface, and it is responsible for creating that and returning it to the pizza store or any client that asks for it.